Okay, we have a new 5-minute get ready collection and it's called Forget Me Not. It has 2 shadow scents, a lip color, and a gloss. Amethyst, Granite, and Mauve Ice, and Bee Gloss. And I'm going to show you guys a quick simple look so that you can get ready and feel and look your best in 5 minutes or less. First things first, I need to add some of my Sea Bright Dark Spot Corrector. This helps even out my skin, get rid of that dark pigmentation, and just keep my face looking nice and bright. Next, I'm going to toss on a little bit of our illuminator, which is our pearlizer and eye cream in one. And this is just going to help brighten up underneath the eye and also hydrate. And you can toss this on before your makeup or after, or just wear it by itself with your skincare. Sometimes I even pop it here just to brighten up a little. So I'm adding a little bit of my everyday go-to, the pearlizer, which is our liquid highlighter. It also helps protect your skin against the sun and environmental factors. And we just got a repackaged one, but this lasts forever. You can see here, there's no wasted product. It has an airless pump, so you're gonna get every little drop. And like I said, it lasts really long. So I haven't even had a chance to break into the new one, which is amazing because a little bit goes a long way. And right now I'm just adding a little bit of tinted moisturizer. We're going to blend that together with a brush, and we're just going to pat that in, and it's going to give me a nice even glow. And it's a lightweight coverage, so you're going to still see like my freckles, but it does give you an even. So now I've got a lightweight coverage with a glow. My face is hydrated, it's even, and I feel put together. So now I'm going to use those 2 shadows and the lip color. All right, so I'm going to take Amethyst. I'm going to throw a little bit on my eye, and we're just going to blend that out. So I'm going to do something a little fun with the other shadow. I'm going to use a liner brush, and I'm just going to throw a little wing on with a pop of this color. Just a little fun. And then you can even line this underneath your lower lash line for extra pop of color. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eye. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of our mascara, which helps the lashes grow. Just kind of clean up. I like to add this to the base of my lashes to help them grow. Okay, and then before I do the lip color, I'm going to add a little bit of deep powder to give me like a little bronze tour. And this is going to help absorb oil and shine and sweat as I'm wearing it through the summer. So I love to use this as my bronzer slash contour. And then I'll go in with either medium, which I'm out of, or the translucent, which is like a clear shade, and that's just gonna help protect the rest of my face from the sun, absorb that oil and sweat, and then also give me that like filter effect without having to like using every little bit of my translucent. But let's see here, I'm gonna just pop that on down the center of my face. And then I'm going to go in with a different powder for my cheeks. Adding a little bit of Silver Rose, which is like a stunning highlight slash like pop of color on the cheeks. Okay, so here's Mauve Ice. I am gonna pre-line with Nude Honey. You can use any color you like. I just like to pre-line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, this gives me a little more shape and makes them look a little poutier. So now I'm going to go in with Mauve Ice. Okay, last layer. Okay, while my lips are drying, I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of our brow building cream. Fill in some of those sparse areas. Just a quick little swipe. Okay, so I cannot find my Bee Gloss, which is in the collection, but because I want you to get that this lip color doesn't come off, the shadows don't smudge, they're not going to let you down, they're going to last all day, give you the confidence as you're wearing your makeup, you're not going to have to reapply. Touch-ups, the only thing you want to really touch up is your gloss when you're using the original LipSense lip color, which is the one that I have on now. It lasts up to 18 hours. I am going to put Satin Matte on top of it so you can still see the true color of the lip color. And so you're going to apply the gloss over your lip color to make sure that it lasts throughout the day. It keeps your lips. So snag this 5-minute easy collection while you can. It's a limited edition and it is on sale right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put what the gloss color looks like that comes with it. But just go ahead and shoot me a message, a DM, comment down below. And I will send you the link to get this collection 15% off plus a free gift.